customization blocks access to all tabs in General Ledger Account Maintenance and Inquiry except for the Main tab. Only members of a specific security role will be permitted access to other tabs or screens. This customization applies to all company codes in Sage and is not company specific. We'll demonstrate by using an account or user ID that does not have access to any tabs other than the Main tab. And this applies to account maintenance and account inquiry in the General Ledger. Let's select an account, and none of the tabs other than the Main tab is visible. I cannot click on the History or Variance or Transactions tab. The same applies to account maintenance. Let's select an account. None of the tabs are clickable. To give this user permission, an admin would go into User Maintenance and add the role for all companies, GL Full, to the account. Again, this is not company specific, so you must add it for all companies. Save the changes, and the user will now be able to access any of the tabs in account maintenance and account inquiry.